This is what 13.4 million house and lot looks like here in BF Resort, Las Piñas. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepita Sabido for another premium house tour, and join me as I show you this brand new modern 4-bedroom duplex house and lot for sale here in BF Resort Village, Las Piñas City. Pulido na nga ang pagkakagawa, modern na ang design, premium finish pa ang turnover nitong bahay na to. Kaya naman, for sure, magugustuhan mo talaga to para sa'yo at sa pamilya mo. Here, you have a 2 full vehicle carport provision. And upon entering, ito nga ang bubungad sa'yo. Very spacious ground floor at ang ganda ng pagkaka-layout. Imagine, for this unit, may floor area ka na 190 square meters with a lot area of 102 square meters. And dito sa ground floor, meron kang powder room for common use or for guest access. Meron ka na rin 1 toilet and bath sa maids quarter. Ang ganda ng layout ng ground floor kasi nakatago ang kitchen. And syempre, built-in na rin ang mga cabinet natin sa base and also overhead. At alam mo ba, isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito, you have a backyard na 18 square meters open space. Napakaluwag nito at you can do a lot here sa space na meron ka. O, diba? Kaya sulit na sulit talaga tong unit na to. By the way, dahil Village Resort Las Piñas ang location natin, syempre maraming major establishment essential for a growing family na malapit lang sa location na to. Andyan yung Elizabeth Seton School, St. Mary's Academy Las Piñas, Robinsons Las Piñas, Perpetual Health Medical Center, and of course, our River Drive that gives you access to many places here in Metro Manila. Kaya naman, best buy talaga to. Sama na nga din dyan yung suspended ceiling design na mas nagpaganda sa unit natin. And of course, may compartment na nga rin to sa ilalim ng stairs. And upon reaching the second floor, we still have 3 other bedrooms. And meron ka na rin common toilet and bath. At ang kagandahan dito, sa master's bedroom, meron ka na rin own toilet and bath. Of course, kasama dyan ang built-in wardrobe. And malalaki yung cut ng kwarto natin ha. Kaya naman, you can really do a lot of layout here. And this is inside a gated village and definitely flood-free and fault line-free. And again, our package price is 13.4 million pesos only. And you can have this through cash payment o di kaya bank financing. Move-in ready na nga rin to, and you just need to pay the 20% down payment para makalipat ka, and the rest is loanable through bank financing. And yes, this is guaranteed a good deal. Of course, here's the master's bedroom with master's ensuite, toilet and bath. Also, paano? Ito na nga ba ang unit na para sa'yo at sa pamilya mo this year 2025? Tara, tripping na tayo! Link in bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp, and IMO number to book a free and exclusive house view. Follow us for more premium house tour videos just like this one. So paano? See you